Wix versus WordPress, which one is better for you? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am comparing Wix.com with WordPress.com and we'll figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to create your online website and store. So let's get started. Up first, we have Wix.com. Wix.com is world's leading website builder that allows you to create a website. There is a free version available for Wix that allows us to create a website and get our own domain. Signing up for Wix is also really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address. Once you sign up, then you will be able to create more than one website on Wix. When it comes to creating a website on Wix, we can create a blog website, we can create portfolios, we can create online store as well. So it is also an e-commerce platform that gives us our own store. When it comes to Wix, Wix is really famous for its template, and when it comes to the Wix templates, we can create website of any type. For example, business, health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion and style, travel and tourism, restaurant and food, landing pages, and professional CVs. So these are some of the templates available on Wix. Wix is actually templates are the building block of Wix, and you can customize your templates really easily. When it comes to creating a website on Wix, we get different options such as adding videos and editing your website, adding text, everything. We have the option of marketing and SEO, analytics and reports. Then we have sales channel and different apps that we can add to our Wix too. So the integration option is available too. I'll take you to the Wix Editor now and let me show you how we edit a website on a Wix. So it will just take a second to load. Until then, let's check out the pricing plan. So this is the pricing plan for Wix. You can see we have a silver plan, which is $75 per month, perfect for beginners, and you can buy it right now. Then we have a gold plan, which is $100 every month for serious enthusiasts, and this is the plan which with best value. And then we have VIP, which is $150 per month, and you can buy this one as well. So this is the pricing plan for Wix, and you can just select the plan of your choice and enjoy Wix. When it comes to the editor right here in Wix, we can add text to our website, image, buttons, gallery, decoratives, we have boxes, socials, contacts and forms. We can embed any kind of code, sites, HTML, custom. Then we have blog, store, events, and community. So these are the different options we get right here on Wix while creating a website. Similarly, we can also edit our pages and our different site menu from this option. We can also change and customize our site design. Add app allows you to simply add any kind of application and integration to your Wix. You can see we have different apps in analyze, marketing, online, selling, designing, so you can just add them from here. Similarly, we can write a blog, and then we have our own store option and media where we can upload our images and videos. So you just edit a website. Editing and using Wix is also really easy. Even as a beginner, you will be able to create a professional website, and then you just click on publish and your website is created. Now it depends on you what kind of website you want to create on Wix. Wix gives you all of the different features and tools to create professional, high quality websites and online store. Even if you have a store, you just go to my store or section right here, and then you can click on manage products, and it will open up your product dashboard for you. And in here we have our product inventories, we have contacts, communication, analytics and reports, finances as well, and sales channel that we can add. So Wix is all in one platform with different features and tools, hundreds of templates to choose from, very easy to use, and has a free version available. So you can go ahead and check out Wix.com if you're looking for a platform to create a website or online store. Now let's move on to WordPress. First, what you have to do is you can go to WordPress.com and you will have to create an account there and buy WordPress. WordPress is not available for free, and you have to buy a plan. Once you do, this is where you will get. So let me show you the pricing plan for WordPress. You can see WordPress.com has a pricing plan, and we have a personal plan which is $4 per month billed yearly. Then there is a premium, best for freelancers, $8 per month, business, which is $25 per month, and e-commerce, which is $45 per month. So here we have all of the pricing plan. It is if you pay annually, so it's not that expensive as we compare to Wix. So you can get a WordPress for just $4. But when it comes to using WordPress is a little difficult than Wix. Wix is like really basic, and as a beginner you will be able to create a website well. On WordPress, on the other hand, you have to do coding and different stuff, but it's also really easy if you get hands on it. There are a lot of videos on the channel as well showing you how to create different types of websites on WordPress, how we can add coding, how to add different plugins. So that's how it works. Once you have a WordPress, another thing that you can do with WordPress is the hosting. You can have your WordPress website on any of the hosting platforms as well. For example, I personally use my WordPress on a hosting website, which is Pantheon. So you can see right here, I have my WordPress website, and let me show you what are the different features we get on WordPress. So WordPress has, post media when it comes to website. This is the dashboard. So we have comments, we have pages, feedback option, and then we have plugins. So plugin is also an important part of WordPress, and we do have integration on Wix as well. But integration and plugin are two different things. It is kind of like the same thing, adding an application to WordPress, but plugins are like built-in integration center of WordPress, and we can find almost all of the different applications to add to our WordPress website. So plugin is very important. If we talk about the e-commerce side of WordPress, then we have Woocommerce for that, world's leading e-commerce platform, and it is actually better than Wix. I have to say it because Wix is kind of like a website builder that has its own e-commerce within, but Woocommerce is like a whole e-commerce platform built for e-commerce, and then you can add it to your WordPress. WordPress also allows you to create websites with coding. There's a lot of coding involved in WordPress. If we compare it to our Wix do not have that much coding. It's not a coding website builder. And similarly, when it comes to the main dashboard, we can get more features on Wix. It's like an open platform, an open dashboard, but on WordPress, this is what you get, and you will have to go into more depth to kind of like get all the features. Let me show you the site as well. Now, when it comes to the themes on so this is like a website that I need to work on, but this is like just a example for you guys. So you can see that WordPress gives you the opportunity to start from the scratch, and as a beginner it also becomes a little difficult. So now it depends on you that from which side you want to see WordPress. That if it's more professional, you have more control over your website, but at the same time you will have to build from the scratch, and you will have to build a website. So this is what it looks like. Now we can customize it and we can just use it. Let me show you some of the themes available on WordPress. We have free themes available too, and then there are themes on WordPress, very famous themes like out there, Astra, Blocky, and some of the themes are being used by a very famous websites out there. So that is why WordPress is really famous, because it's coding, so you have more control, and it's like having a website, a professional website from the basics. And you can see all the themes are pretty professional, so you will be able to create a very professional and high quality website using WordPress. Similarly, when it comes to simply customizing a website, you will be getting the same option. We can add buttons, we can add images, videos, and links. We can add different widgets to make our website look good. So yeah, guys, these are the basic comparison between Wix and WordPress. And now you know the difference between Wix and WordPress and which one is better for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.